Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about learn how to make more money with Make Money Online Fast today. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax, and imagine living the life of your dreams. Enjoy the video. For more information about learn how to make more money with Make Money Online Fast today, head over to my website and sign up for my weekly newsletter. The link is in the description box below this video. Are you trying to make money online fast today? Is it possible to make money online fast today? If you are like most people, then the answer is a resounding yes. You can certainly make a lot of money without ever setting foot in a physical store. The internet has become such a powerful force that literally millions of Americans are making an income online. This includes those who work in stores and other retail businesses. Even those who own their own retail businesses are making money by using the internet. Even small business owners have found ways to earn an income by using the internet. However, there is one drawback to this kind of earning. You can only make money online fast if you have enough knowledge about how to do the job right. Here are some things you should know before you begin your online career. Basic knowledge. Even though you don't need a degree to work from home, you will still need to have some basic knowledge about the internet. Fortunately, you do not need to be a computer genius to get started. The right skills. When you decide to start an online business, you will need to learn the basics of marketing. For example, you will need to learn how to generate traffic to your site. Some simple traffic generation techniques will do just fine. Search engine optimization. This is the most important aspect of internet marketing. With SEO, you can use search engines to get your site higher in the rankings. Therefore, if you want to make money online fast today, you will need to learn this skill. Submit your articles. There are many internet marketers who think they can write and submit their own articles and make good money. However, the truth is that most of them struggle with this. So, instead of doing this, you should find a way to get paid for submitting your articles. Follow these 2 steps. There are some good ideas for developing a business. However, you must be aware that you are going to have to put a little bit of effort into your online marketing business. The bottom line is that you can't create wealth overnight. So, why not do a little bit of studying and research on internet marketing before you try to make money online? Studying and learning about internet marketing will help you know what works and what doesn't. Many people have made a full-time income from online marketing before they even knew how to make money online. This is why you shouldn't make the mistake of thinking that it will be easy. One of the reasons that it can be difficult to make money online fast today is because it can take a long time to build up a good amount of traffic to your website. However, by creating articles and other types of content, you can develop a steady stream of traffic to your site. By creating informative and engaging content, you can help build a readership to your site, which will help make it easier to attract potential customers. Building a following is something that is part of the learning process and one of the keys to making money online fast today. Learn how to make money online for beginners. Free ways to make money online for beginners. Over the years, the need for online business advice has increased. Thousands of individuals have been searching for it to find out how to start their own business, and some are still wondering how to make money online for beginners. Fortunately, you can now find online course guides, articles, and even books on the subject of making money from home. A common question asked by beginners in this business is, how do I make money online for beginners? This question often goes unanswered, even though this process can be extremely lucrative. The truth is that there are many individuals who want to succeed but do not know how. The simplest way to make money online for beginners is to understand the basic details of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means getting paid a commission by using the products or services of another company. For example, you may want to learn how to make money online for beginners by promoting the Amazon Kindle. In affiliate marketing, you get paid a commission every time someone purchases one of your affiliate products. This means that if you are able to drive traffic to your website and promote an Amazon Kindle, you will be able to earn money for every product sold. The amount of income you can earn will depend on the competition between the online merchants. However, to learn how to make money online for beginners, you will also need to learn about product promotion, which is the heart of any successful business. You must first decide what type of product you want to promote. It is best to learn how to make money online for beginners using a product that is highly competitive. In addition, you should be able to choose between a niche or ebooks. These two types of products have different prices and can be more challenging to promote. Even though both of these products are difficult to promote, they can still be profitable if you follow a plan. The next step to learn how to make money online for beginners is to figure out how much money you want to make. Do you want to make a few $100s per month, a few $1,000s per month, or want to make $1 million per month? Of course, the amount of money you make per month depends on several factors. It is wise to pick an amount that you can comfortably live without having to worry about the bills. You can begin earning money through affiliate marketing by learning how to make money online for beginners using an ebook and its associated products. When selecting a product to promote, choose one that is highly competitive. The reason you are choosing a product highly competitive is that it will take more effort to promote than an ebook with little competition. One of the first things you should do when you start to learn affiliate marketing is to search for sites that are connected to the internet. These sites offer you a free way to promote products. You should also start learning about the terminology used by website owners in terms of keywords. By using these keywords in your website, you will be able to make more money from the traffic and will be able to effectively market your product. Finally, the most important thing you can do when you learn how to make money online for beginners is to build a website and promote the product of your choice. You can choose whether you want to use search engine optimization (SEO) or other ways to boost the rankings of your website. Once you have created a website and have promoted it effectively, you will be well on your way to learning how to make money online for beginners. It is possible to earn money online for beginners through affiliate marketing, with or without SEO help. If you want to learn how to make money online for beginners, you can build a website and promote the Amazon Kindle. Creative ways to make money online. It is not a problem in this world that you may be unable to figure out how to make money. There are so many creative ways to make money online, as you can see. You can decide to concentrate on your own specific field of interest. This would make it easier for you to make a living. If you have a specific niche, you can search for creative ways to make money on the internet. One way you can do this is to develop your own work to higher skills. If you are already in the internet business, you can still work on it. You can develop more expertise and become an expert in your own field. This is where creative ways to make money come in. When you become specialized in a particular niche, people would seek your advice and information regularly. They will also know what you know when you know it. That is where you get paid the most because your expertise is known by so many people. This is a great way to make money because you will be considered a best in your field. If people were to ask what your specialty is, you can give them a good answer. Another way to make money online is to provide website content for others. If you can help others with their websites, you can even sell your services. With the constant changes in the economy, many companies are looking for a financial advisor or some other type of financial specialist. The roles are changing as well. As they are trying to find the best fit for their firm, they are also looking for those with expertise. For those who want to do freelance writing, they can take advantage of creative ways to make money. Most freelancers are doing their job, yet they are making a good living at it. Work-from-home jobs can also be created online. This could be marketing or writing or some other type of freelancing. Anyone who has a talent and is passionate about a subject can be hired by someone and start doing work online. By combining these creative ways to make money, you could even become a home-based business that is based on advertising and web designing. You could even set up your own websites and sell advertising space on them. The more creative ways to make money, the better, as they all depend on the skills, interests, and desire. You should always look for work that you are interested in. If you do not have a talent, you should look for one anyway because it is always growing. People are always on the go. Most people do not have the time to look for creative ways to make money on the internet. A little patience and self-discipline can make the difference between having a life that you are comfortable with and one that you are working at. Thanks for watching my video about learn how to make more money with Make Money Online Fast today. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.